नमस्ते स्टूडेंट, हमेशा खुश रहो बेटिया। माय नेम इज कौशिक चक्रवर्ती फ्रॉम फैकल्टी ऑफ एजुकेशन मेथोडोलॉजी, ज्योति विद्यापीठ यूनिवर्सिटी जयपुर राजस्थान. Today we are going to discuss about the subject biomedical signal processing, and the particular topic of that subject is ECG. Before we start the topic, we are discuss about our previous session, and we are very much aware about the previous session. We are discuss the topic of EMG, electromyograms. Hope you are understand the previous lecture. Now we are discuss about the today's topic. It's ECG. ECG means an electrocardiogram records the electrical signals from your heart to check for different heart conditions. So it's a electrocardiogram record electrical signals. So this is electrical signals. That's why we are discussing here the biomedical signals, and ECG is also part of biomedical signals, and it's signals from your heart to check different heart condition. Your heart is okay or not, your heart is good or not. So different electrical signals came from heart, and it will check by ECG machine. Electrodes are placed on your chest to record your heart's electrical signals. Electrodes are placed in your chest to record the heart's electrical signals, which cause your heart to beat. Basically, our heart is beats, and the beats generates the signals. These signals were recorded through electrodes, and the machine is ECG. The signals are shown as wave on the different computer monitor, which will be attached with the ECG machines, or it will be printed by the printer. Electrocardiograms is abbreviated as ECG or EKG. It is a test that measures the electrical activity of the heartbeats. With each beat, an electrical pulse wave travels through the heart. Each beat, electrical pulse are generated and travels through the heart. This wave causes muscles to snooze the pump blood from the heart. The conventional 12 lead ECG, 10 electrodes are placed on the patient limbs and on the surface of the chest. The overall magnitude of the heart's electrical potential is then measured from 12 different angles and is recorded over a period of time. In this way, the overall magnitude and directions of the heart's electrical depolarizations is captured at each moment throughout the cardiac cycle. There are three main components of ECG: the POF, which represent the polarizations of artery, the QRS complex, which represent the depolarizations of ventricles, and the TOF, which represent the repolarizations of ventricles. During each heartbeat, a heartly heart has an orderly progression of depolarization that start with pacemaker cell. In the specific nodes spread through the arterium and passes through the nodes down the blood cycles to the fibers. ECG convey a large amount of information about the structure of the heart through its machine and measured by the heartbeats. The size and the positions of heart, different types of beats are measured and captured through the machines, and it's the real functions of heartbeats depend upon the electrical signals. Here some person, if we take, it's maybe different situation, is not just about the different time. Suppose some persons in the morning walk, so the heartbeat rate is different when the person is in sleeping. So different signals are generated from the hearts with different time scale. So the signal will be different, but if the different pupils acquire, the signals could be different as well. As same pupil, the signal will be maybe different, and the different pupils also the signal will be the different. The reason there is numbers of configuration through which the signals can be calculated. So today here we are discuss about the determinations of signals and ECG technologies. Two bipolar leads are the two electrodes are placed in the heart or chest of the body. So today's topic is ECG is complete over there. Hope you understand. In the session you are satisfied with my digital session powered by digital version 2 Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women University Jaipur. If is there any query, please mention in the comment box. Thank you.